Did you know the average person spends 4 hours a day checking and writing emails? That's 60 full days a year. Imagine if you could get all that time back. Welcome to Living with AI. In today's video, we're diving into how artificial intelligence can take the hassle out of email writing, streamline your communication, and make your inbox a stress-free zone. We're talking about reclaiming those lost hours and actually using them for something, fun. First up, we're talking about Grammarly, and no, this isn't just your high school English teacher's best friend anymore. Grammarly has leveled up, using AI to not just catch those pesky typos, but to actually understand the tone of your message. Think about it. How many times have you sent an email that you thought was neutral, only to have it misinterpreted as curt or even rude? Yeah, we've all been there. With Grammarly, you can actually set the tone you're going for, whether it's formal, friendly, urgent, or even enthusiastic. Grammarly analyzes your writing in real time and suggests improvements to make sure your message hits the right note. It goes beyond basic grammar and spelling, offering suggestions for clarity, conciseness, and even vocabulary enhancement. So, you're not just writing correct emails, you're writing impactful emails, the kind that get noticed for the right reasons. And the best part, Grammarly integrates seamlessly with all your favorite platforms, from email clients like Gmail and Outlook to social media platforms and even document editors. Honestly, Grammarly is like that friend who always knows the right words to say, even when you don't. Next up is Jasper. And this one's for all of you who find yourselves writing the same types of emails over and over again. Whether it's cold outreach, follow-up messages, or even just thank you notes, Jasper takes those repetitive tasks off your plate with its library of pre-written templates. But don't think for a second that these are your average generic templates. Jasper uses AI to personalize each template to your specific needs. You can input key information about your product, service, or even just the recipient of the email, and Jasper will weave it all together into a compelling and customized message. And if you're struggling with writer's block, Jasper can even help you generate fresh ideas and angles for your emails. What's really impressive about Jasper is its ability to adapt to different writing styles and tones. Bottom line, Jasper is like having a team of expert copywriters at your beck and call, ready to churn out high-quality emails that get results. Finally, let's talk about ChatGPT, the AI language model that's taking the world by storm. And yes, it can totally revolutionize the way you handle email. Think of ChatGPT as your personal AI email assistant, but on steroids. What sets ChatGPT apart is its ability to understand and respond to natural language prompts. Need a quick email to reschedule a meeting? Just tell ChatGPT, draft an email to reschedule my meeting with Sarah tomorrow. Offer 2 alternative time slots in the afternoon. Boom, done. ChatGPT will generate a professional and courteous email in seconds, saving you the time and effort of crafting it yourself. But ChatGPT can do so much more than just reschedule meetings. You can ask it to summarize lengthy email threads, draft complex replies, translate messages into different languages, and even write different kinds of creative content, like poems or code, for your emails. Essentially, ChatGPT is like having a super intelligent AI by your side, ready to tackle any email-related task you throw its way. So there you have it, 3 powerful AI tools that can save you hours on emails and transform your inbox from a source of stress to a hub of efficiency. Now it's your turn. What's your biggest challenge when it comes to writing emails? Drop a comment below. And if you enjoyed this, check out our other video on the top AI tools for productivity. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on living with AI.